Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Gab from Tech Tips for Business. For today's video, we are going to talk about how to use the CountIf function in Microsoft Excel. For starters, what is CountIf? CountIf is a function that allows users to count the number of terms or data that matches the criteria. Here's the syntax for the CountIf function. To further explain these terms, let's go straight to an example. Let's say that we want to count how many chocolates are in our data. To do so, let's go ahead and click on an empty cell and type CountIf. We are going to be asked two terms, one for the range and for the criteria. The range would be the reference data that we are going to count the criteria from. In this case, we are going to use the product column for our reference. Let's go ahead and select the product column. For the second term, we are being asked for the criteria. We can either type chocolate or just select the cell with chocolate in it. Once we're done, just use a close parentheses and press enter. Now, Excel produced a result of 2. This is because there are only 2 chocolates in the product column. And that is how you use CountIf in Microsoft Excel. If this video helped you in any way, please leave a like and comment on what I should do next. You can also subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell for updates on our future videos. Once again, this is Gab, signing out.